Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can delete a section from your site on Wix, so let's get right into it. Now, some of these certain parts are called sections, and they are pretty big chunks of your sites. They are bigger than elements, of course, but smaller than actual pages, and some of them are, for example, this top bar. This is what is called a section. Now, the way you can delete this is to just press the delete button while selecting the entire section, and as you can see, the header and footer can be deleted, so I'm going to go ahead and go to an empty page and add a new section just to prove or to show you guys how you can delete one. Now, as you can see, this is an empty page over here, but if I go into add section, it's going to give me some certain sections which you can add if you wanted to. For example, I'll add this welcome section, just drag it over, and as you can see, it covers a pretty large chunk of your screen, and when you hover over it, it's this entire rectangle. And as you can see, you can click here to add a section as well to the top, but if I just press on this section, as you can see, I can change the background, quick edit everything in the section. But if I went ahead and press the delete button, as you can see, the entire section has been deleted, and if I went to the preview, it will be completely missing. And that is exactly what you need to do to delete any section on your site, except for the header and footer. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.